Hello everyone, I am Rajeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Dr. M.S.Rajeswari College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In today's session, I am going to explain about basic concepts in operating system. What is operating system? Operating system, it is nothing but it is an interface between the computer hardware and the user, that is end user, whoever may be. That is the operating system is the interface between the computer hardware and the end user. For processing of data, running application, file management and handling the memory is all managed by the computer operating system. So operating system manages many jobs such as running the application, processing of data and file management and handling the memory, that is memory allocation, that is memory allocation. It's all managed by the operating system of each and every system. Okay, so some of the examples of operating systems are Windows, Mac, Android, etc. So our examples of operating systems which are generally used nowadays. So these are all the operating system used nowadays. What are all the characteristics of operating system? Operating system having many characteristics. Some important characteristics are it is having the capability of device management and file management and job accounting, error detecting aids. So these are all the characteristics of the operating system. Device management, it keeps the track of all the devices. So it manages all the devices which are connected in the operating system. So it is also used the input and output controller that decides which processes gets the device, when and for how much time. So it manages all the devices, whether when the system is getting the devices and when it releasing the devices. Devices such as the input output devices, that is printer or memory, whatever it may be. Okay, so operating system manages all the devices which it is connected. Then file management. In this characteristic, operating system what does now, it allocates and deallocates the resources and also decides who gets the resources. So this is managed by the file management operating system. Then job accounting, it keeps track of time and resources used by various jobs or users. The next characteristics of operating system is error detecting aids. These contain methods that include the production of the dumps, traces, error messages and other debugging and error detecting methods. So these are all the basic characteristics of the operating system. Next topic is a computer system organization. So how the computer system is organized. So before get inside the operating system, we should know what is computer system, that is how the operating system is interact with the computer organization. Okay, so for that we have to know the computer system organization, what are all the components inside the computer. So computer system organization, it is a combination of many parts such as peripheral devices. So peripheral devices is nothing but it is a input and output devices, and secondary memory and CPU and etc. So it is a combination of all these things. This can be explained more clearly using a diagram. So in this diagram, all the components are depicted. The input output devices and the CPU both execute concurrently. Some of the processes are scheduled for CPU and at the same time some are undergoing input output operations. There are multiple device controllers, each in charges of particular device such as keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. So for each and every device there will be one device controller. So this is also, it is a part of the computer system organization. The next component is there is a buffer available for each of the devices. Buffer, it is a memory, it is a temporary storage. So it is available for each and every devices for storing its data. The input and output data can be stored in these buffers. The data is moved from memory to the respective devices buffers by the CPU for input output operations, and then this data is moved back from the buffers to the memory. So that's all about the computer system organization.